Logistic regression for intelligent email spam detection, a practical approach. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This paper presents an experiment on spam filters using logistic regression, where the filter's effectiveness is influenced by the characteristics of the token frequency distribution. The focus of the discussion is on the importance of data cleaning before model development. It emphasizes the necessity of excluding inconsistent features prior to their inclusion in the model. The experiment utilizes the UCI dataset, which shows the percentage of token counts in each email. The model's discriminative performance is evaluated through the use of an ROC curve. The use of the UCI dataset provided valuable insights into how token counts influence spam classification. The ROC curve analysis reinforced the importance of evaluating model performance comprehensively, offering a clear view of its discriminative power. The experiment on spam filters using logistic regression highlights the significant impact of token frequency distributions on the filter's effectiveness. The findings emphasize the importance of data cleaning as a crucial step in the model development process. By excluding inconsistent features, the model can achieve better performance, as irrelevant or noisy data can significantly hinder its accuracy. The use of the UCI dataset provided valuable insights into how token counts influence spam classification. The ROC curve analysis reinforced the importance of evaluating model performance comprehensively, offering a clear view of its discriminative power. Overall, the experiment underscores the necessity of careful preprocessing and feature selection to enhance the accuracy and reliability of spam filters. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.